She is the source of life and often difficult to describe. She heals us in sickness and loves us despite of our weakness, amusing us with her incredible glory. She comforts us with her miraculous story. Often synonymous to the word sacrifice, she is no less when it comes to a compromise. She shares her wisdom in whispers and secretly mends our blisters, shielding us since our existence. We cannot survive with her being distant. To foster and nurture is in her very nature. Yes, Mother Nature has a nature too that probably has got us through. Happy Mother's Day, Mother Nature.